Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Envato Elements for beginners. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in elements.envato.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of envato.elements. And now Envato Elements is a subscription-based service that gives you unlimited downloads of digital assets like stock videos, music, presentation templates, fonts and graphics, and many more stuffs. So first of all, you need to sign up or log in into your account, and after you have done this, you can browse or search for assets. You can go in a search bar, browse for video templates, graphic templates, music, and anything you like, and preview the item. So simply click on the asset itself, read the description, check out compatibility software, and do stuff like that, and simply tap on download to download it. Now you can also use these elements in your projects by unzipping the downloaded file, and like Envato Elements give you a commercial license for all your downloads once you have purchased a subscription. So after this, you will be set to use your Envato Elements. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.